because I think the crypto winter is kind of ending. And I want to talk to you about why I think there's multiple drivers for adoption and why Ethereum is going to be an important player as we think about the future. Okay. There's three things that I think are driving Ethereum's future. Number one is Wall Street. Okay. Wall Street is rebuilding their financial system on the blockchain. There's a lot of reasons for it, but I don't have to tell you this is pretend happening. This is actually what Wall Street is doing. Whether it's BlackRock, Jamie Dimon saying, digital asset ledgers are superior to existing financial systems, it's already happening today. And you may wonder, what are the reasons for Wall Street to build on the blockchain? There's too many reasons to talk about, but I'm going to just walk through four of them so you have a better understanding. Number one, Wall Street has all these different ledgers, accounting systems, etc., but a shared ledger, okay, really provides a huge increase in efficiency. The second, and this is something you've heard talked about a lot, is tokenization. It offers 24/7 trading. That's what stablecoins are. It's a tokenized dollar. But as in my conversations with banks, a big part of the reason that they're interested in tokenization is not just 24/7 trading, but it's really improving what they call collateral mobility. It's going to be much easier to do lending on assets when they're tokenized. So I think that you're going to see Wall Street take advantage of this idea of collateral mobility. The third is it's just a complicated term, but the idea is money becomes software once it goes on the blockchain. And it's already happened today. So all money today is basically software. There's going to be a lot of interest in then moving other things onto software, whether it's reputation, intellectual property, etc. And then finally, they're using Ethereum because, of course, that's the standard everyone's using. There's a huge development community, but also when we talk to the banks, Ethereum is really the platform that many are comfortable with. So it's happening. You might wonder, why do AI systems need to use a blockchain and why would they use Ethereum? So first, there's this idea that agents, like if you're using Claude or ChatGPT, etc., it's already only mainly operating on your device in a closed system. But when you start to send it out in the world to do things for you, you're going to need an identity for that agent. And that's what they call decentralized identities. Well, the one way to manage a decentralized identity is to stick it on a blockchain. Now, as all these agents work with each other, they need to coordinate with each other in a neutral way. So this is like the idea that AI agents need a neutral state. And then the AI agents, as they collect payments, need instant settlement, which is what blockchains do. So you can see it makes a lot of sense for AI agents to be working on a big public chain, which everyone already agrees has instant settlement and decentralized identity. And this is something that we already are seeing the crypto industry embrace. Brian Armstrong and CZ both say that they think the next billion users of blockchains are actually probably going to be AI systems. And of course, Ethereum is, again, AI ready. They have smart accounts, conditional accounts, programmable relationships. So again, Ethereum, I think, is very well positioned for AI. Okay, and then the last thing that I think is going to be driving Ethereum's value is the creator economy. Now, this is, again, a function of both of the above, but creators today are very worried about losing their fidelity or identity because of AI systems and deep fakes and video, etc. And in fact, there's already been a lot of interest from content creators like Mr. Beast to make sure that using blockchain and actually things like WorldCoin to prove you're human, to create content that is only proven to be made by a human and therefore be paid appropriately. Okay. So I've talked about why I think the crypto winter's ending.